Hi ladies, it's Ali here, and I thought I would just show you my summer skincare routine in the morning. So I'm sort of now in my 50s. My face is getting quite dry, particularly this time of year. So this morning I woke up and a few breakouts of hormonals, and I just thought, right, I'll just shoot a video and show you what I'm going to be doing this morning. So I've already washed my face, and because it was dry this morning and it just felt very crepey, I've actually washed my face in this in some Clinique, and you can see there you go. And it's a take off the day cleansing balm. Although it's in the evening, I'd like to use it in the morning. It is a balm, and so I just felt I needed that extra bit of slip. So I've washed my face thoroughly, rinsed it off with the Clinique, and then the next step would be to put on the vitamin C, which I never ever fail, regardless of what time of year it is. I always put my vitamin C on, and the one I'm using is from Garden of Wisdom Gal, which I buy from Victoria Health in England, but I'm sure you can buy it in America as well, because it is an American company. I have covered this product in another tutorial actually, more thoroughly. So I know I'm on the last dregs, but just a couple of those. I'll just put that on. So this helps with pigmentation. Right, so once I've then put on my vitamin C, I'd let that settle in for a few moments, and then I would put on some eye cream. I put the eye cream on first before my serum, because if you put the serum on first, then the eye cream's not going to get through. Today, just because I've got some Tropic, can't see that because of the light, but it's some Tropic eye cream, Eye Revive. Now, again, just a tiny, tiny bit, and then I'll just pat it. I don't need much. I always end up putting too much. A little bit goes a long way. Just try and rejuvenate, wake up. Especially here, it gets a bit baggy. So that's the eye cream. And then after that, serum. So I would put on, there are a few steps to this. It's Saturday morning as well, so I thought I'd go. So just a tiny bit of some hyaluronic acid serum. Plenty of different brands out there. The one I'm using, again, don't forget the neck, is just one I bought from Home Sense, which was on offer. Likes the look of it, and it seems to be fine. I do like to chop and change. I think it's the same with any product. It's good to chop and change, otherwise your skin gets used to it. And so it's good to sort of keep it on its toes slightly. So once my serum is now on, applied, I'd let that usually settle in for about 5-10 minutes, and then I would put on some eye cream. Some moisturiser. Here I've got some Neal's Yard. I'm using this today because, as I say, my skin does feel dry. It's quite scented, and I think it's full of essential oils. This is their frankincense. Again, I just put a tiny bit, maybe a little bit more, just on my fingers, rub it through. So it can feel quite greasy if you put too much on, so again, a little goes a long way. You don't need much. Oh, starting to feel hydrated already. I did do some microneedling yesterday evening, which does make it more dry once you've microneedled the night before. So I wouldn't actually put any essential oils on the night before if I've microneedled, but the next day it's fine, and it was a very low microneedle needle. It's a 0.2, so it hasn't gone right into skin, just more to allow for absorption. But there we go. So that's that. And then to just finish off, I would use probably my City Block. Bear with me. Yeah, let's use this today because I do like this because it's got a factor 40 in it, and obviously being in the summer you need a higher factor. So the Clinique, there we go, the City Block, factor 40. I think I bought it in Debenhams. I think it's about £20. You can buy it anywhere in the world. And what I love about it, it's really light and it slides on nicely. And it, first of all, it starts off with a very, I can't see there, it's just got a hint of colour to it. I don't want to look caked and I don't want to look like I'm wearing a mask. I just want it to be a nice natural glow, a good base, ready for the rest of my makeup. And I find having older skin, you know, if you're using powders and anything too thick, it sits into the lines and you end up with these lines of product and it looks awful, whereas this doesn't sit into any crevice or line, and it's also protecting the skin. I would reapply later in the afternoon, particularly if I'm walking and I'm out and around. Right, and there we go. That's my summer skincare routine for dry, mature skin. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.